Hey guys, Tec Timmy here. So today I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of these new LED smart bulbs from TREATLIFE. They are colored and they will work with She Who Shall Not Be Named as well as Google Assistant. And I am excited about getting these installed in. I'm actually going to put them in my overhead light that hangs over my dining room table to give a little bit of extra ambiance in the room here. So I bought two boxes, about a couple boxes. The light, the fixture above my head here takes, it's gonna take, I guess it's 5 bulbs, and of course they come in a pack of 4. So I bought 2, and I think I would install the other ones in my bathroom and maybe in the kitchen as well. But I have wanted to add color in that overhead fixture for a while. Follow-up video to this, I will do a configuration of combining the multiple bulbs into a single routine so that we can fire them off all at the same time. And I'm curious to see if I can have some bulbs be one color in the same fixture and have other bulbs be a different color. So that's something that I'm looking forward to testing. Just real quick, so 800 lumens, which is fairly standard for a 60 watt LED bulb, so totally fine on that. Light appearance is, 2700K on the warm side, 6500 on the cool side. 9 watt is the energy that it will take. These things should last forever, a very long time. Let me just see. So 3-year limited warranty, that's nice. I'm trying to get a read on if there's anything about number of hours. Yeah, so 15,000 hours at 70% of light output. I mean, that's a lot of hours compared to the bulbs that I grew up with as a kid, certainly. So yeah, and then just real quick, just to go through the rest of the box. So voice control, as I had said, I am a big fan of ALEXA, and so I will be using the voice control commands with my favorite voice assistant. Intelligent scene, of course, you can set desired scenes, remote access, share access. So I'm curious as to how well the app functions with this. So these are new bulbs to me. I'm a big Philips Hue guy, so I've got a Hue bridge and several Hue bulbs, but these were just a steal. I want to say, I think I paid either $20 or $30 for 4 of these, which is a fraction of the cost of Hue, as I had said. So I figured, why not try them? They're pretty highly rated on Amazon. So yeah, so let's just get them out of the box for you here. And like I said, after I film this video, I will do a configuration video, maybe even a demo of my overhead light here with these installed. So, okay, so from a packaging perspective, I did need to use the unboxing knife just to remove the little plastic is into there. So par for the course, very standard. Box looks well packed, which is good because bulbs are fragile. So I've been chosen as an earlier member as opposed to an early member, but okay. Please contact our support team to get the gift below. That's cool. Okay, so so it's a dimmer. So free dimmer. That's nice. So I will be absolutely reaching out to them for that, and maybe we'll do a follow-on video of that as well. And so here's the user manual. Of course, these are SL10 type bulbs, and which is probably the most standard type of bulb out there. A nice little watermark there to download the or QR code rather to download the TREATLIFE app. I don't know if I have other TREATLIFE products. I don't think that I do. So it wants you to register, and then looks like very simple, basic instructions. The documentation looks pretty good. Yeah, this all seems very, very standard. So cool. So good on them. Good on TREATLIFE. So far I feel like I have a treat in my life. And now, so the bulbs themselves, looks like there's a cover here on top of them. Hopefully they don't all fall. No, good. Okay, and there you have it. Just, the four bulbs and 4 bulbs in the box. Let's see if we can get them out without breaking them. So that is what a TREATLIFE SL10 bulb looks like. very standard. Looks like some of the LifeX bulbs that I bought, and also my Hue bulbs as well. So looks pretty cool. Doesn't look like anything too crazy that would seem inappropriate for an overhead fixture. So I am going to open up my second box next, and I won't bore you with that, and then I'm going to install them in my overhead light. So like I said, I will film a follow-up video on that, just the unboxing for right now. So if you got any value from this video, if you wouldn't mind giving me a quick thumbs up for the unboxing, and please subscribe to my channel. I do all sorts of smart home technology videos, and I plan to do a ton more. So hope to see you in the next one.